Hi there! Festive season is around the corner, and if you're looking to buy a smart TV this Diwali, then you must check out the all-new TCL T6C QLED Ultra HD Smart Google TV. This is the 75-inch variant that runs the Google TV OS and is packed with features designed for ultimate entertainment. It's powered by the intelligent AiPQ processor with quantum dot display that produces super vibrant and punchy colors. Plus, with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, it delivers a true cinematic experience that pulls you into the scene. There's also 120Hz Game Accelerator that ensures ultra-smooth motion and lag-free gameplay. We even tested it with our PS5. It's perfect for gamers who demand speed and precision. Then 30-watt sound output where every voice and beat sounds crisp and full of depth. Let me share everything in detail so you can decide if you should buy the TCL Google TV or not. Let's begin. So this is a really nice combination of Bluetooth and infrared. It's really nice functional remote. Right on the top you can spot the power button, the mute button, you have the input button, then you have the D-pad for navigation, you have the back button, home button, you have the Google Assistant button, quick settings, you can adjust the volume up and down from here, you have shortcut keys for Netflix, Prime Videos, YouTube, Sony Live, TCL channel and the web. It's really nice and easy to use. It's great to see that wall mount bracket is included in the packaging. By the way, the installation and setup is absolutely free. First thing you notice, the metallic bezel-less design, super premium and modern. Ultra slim I would say. Looks really beautiful. All the ports are on one side for easy access. Starting from the top is the USB 2.0 port, LAN Ethernet, USB 3.0 port, 3 HDMI ports, antenna, AV input and optical. They're smartly placed so cables stay hidden. No spaghetti mess behind your TV. All HDMI ports are HDMI 2.1, so faster data transfers and smooth gameplay. Perfect for next generation consoles and high frame rate action. By the way, HDMI 3 port also supports eARC, so you can connect it to ARC supported soundbars for digital audio output. Let's have a quick look at the specifications. Quantum dot filter with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. TCL's HVA panel, AiPQ processor, 2GB RAM with 16GB internal storage, 120Hz Game Accelerator, Dolby Vision and HDR10+, 30-watt sound output with Dolby Atmos support, and it's running Google TV OS. Now, let's see how it performs. Now, this is a 4K HDR video sample, and it instantly grabs your attention on how good it looks. Every detail just stands out. The colors pop, and you can notice how vibrant they look. Also, at no point does it get oversaturated. With this quantum dot display and Dolby Vision, every scene bursts with lifelike clarity. Brighter highlights, deeper blacks, and stunning details. You're not just watching content, you're experiencing true cinematic visuals just the way the creator intended it to be. Watching 4K HDR content is an absolute treat because that's what this TV is designed for. Vivid bright colors with crisp clear blacks. These colorful quantum crystals don't just display colors, they explode. Every shade looks richer, brighter and more lifelike. You know when colors look flat on some TVs? Well, not here. Dynamic color enhancement makes every frame feel alive. Everything looks gorgeous. The wide-angle HVA panel on this TV takes colors to a whole new level. Every frame feels vibrant, natural and incredibly accurate. Reds are rich, blues are deep and even subtle tones are beautifully represented. It also gives you 178-degree super wide viewing angles, so the picture looks stunning no matter where you sit. You get the same stunning clarity and color accuracy. We also ran the blooming test. TCL calls this TV a halo eliminator, as halo effects are kept in check with high precision lighting. No blooming or light bleed issues were found. HDR10+ brings out every hidden detail. Deep blacks, bright whites give that perfect cinematic balance. This TV's brain, TCL's own AiPQ processor. It intelligently analyzes every scene and adjusts the image quality pixel by pixel. So colors and contrast look unbelievably real, like the action's happening right in front of you. Here's my favorite dark scene from the movie The Dark Knight to test for contrast levels. Here you can see the characters are so clear, but everything around them is just pitch black. If you ask me, even in a well-lit room, it looks absolutely stunning. Now, Not all people have full HD or 4K set-top boxes, and the broadcast quality often isn't the best. But the TCL's T6C's upscaling to this Ultra HD 4K display is just next level. It manages to refine the picture from your existing set-top box, providing a very satisfying viewing experience. One feature that I truly appreciate is multiple eye care tech. This TV reduces blue light, optimizes natural light, and features U65 technology to protect your eyes during long binging sessions. So, whether you're gaming late night or watching movies into the night, your eyes won't feel battered by the glare and flickering. It also comes with Bluetooth on board, so you can pair your favorite wireless headphones and enjoy the audio wirelessly without disturbing anyone in the room.
Alright, let's have a quick look at the Google TV interface. So as you can see, it's running the Google TV OS. Huge carousel on this big screen going edge to edge, looks absolutely fantastic. Very colorful and vibrant. Further coming down below, you have top picks for you. Then you have the apps that come pre-installed. You have Netflix, YouTube, Sony Live, Jio Hotstar, Prime Video, Z5, TCL channel, YouTube Music, and so many more. Yes, it also is compatible with Alexa, which is great. There are also a couple of games that come pre-installed, and the best part is you can reorder these apps as per your preference. So for example, I want to bring Alexa front here. I can grab it, drop it here, and click done. There you go. Then further down is continue watching list. Then you have top selling movies, watch before, lots of recommended content from Google, which is really nice. Then as you go up here and you come to the libraries tab, currently this is empty, but this is where you'll find all your purchases, rentals, watch list, everything that you add from your TV and mobile will reflect on this page. Then if you come to the apps tab, this is from where you can download more tons of apps and games. Check that out. You have app categories, you have games, you have more apps, the Spotify app, the Jio Hotstar app, everything that you need will be available here. Overall, I must say that the interface on the TCL TV is buttery smooth and super fun to use.
Now, for the sound. Well, we get 30-watt output and Dolby Atmos, plus DTS Virtual X support. Time for a quick demo.
Easier to break it off fast friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand me. I don't wanna be like I'm on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I was.
So the audio sounds phenomenal. Truly does full justice to this huge display. It's loud, it's rich, and delivers good amount of bass as well, which is seriously impressive for TV speakers. Alright, let's talk about real gaming. Now thanks to 120Hz Game Accelerator and Game Master, the TV delivers ultra smooth gameplay with reduced input lag. It's perfect for fast-paced titles and next-generation consoles like PlayStation 5. We played on this mammoth screen and the experience was absolutely stellar. Thanks to VRR support, it was absolutely flawless. If you already have a PS5 with you, then the TCL Google TV will give you a really fun experience. We also get Google Voice Assistant on the remote, as well as hands-free Google Voice Assistant. All you need to say is, "Hey Google," ask it for the weather, like what's the weather in Mumbai. You can also ask it general trivia questions like the height of the Eiffel Tower, or ask it to play your favorite TV show like play Friends from Netflix. There you go, all done hands-free. It's so cool. Then we also tested the Netflix app, and it's extremely well optimized on this TV. There was no lag whatsoever. You can also spot Dolby Vision and Atmos on some of the supported content. Let's play it. Oh wow, it looks jaw-dropping gorgeous. Enjoy Vision content with Atmos audio to its fullest. Then we also streamed YouTube, and HDR content looks just so good. It's clear, it's crisp, and super bright. So glad to see shortcut keys on the remote for apps like Netflix, Prime Videos, YouTube, and more. It's always handy. Alright, final thoughts. So, the TCL T6C QLED Ultra HD Smart Google TV simply doesn't compromise in any aspect, especially considering this huge 75-inch model is priced around just 60,000. And when you think about quality, it just makes sense. TCL India's brand ambassador is Rohit Sharma, a champion of the highest quality. This commitment to excellence goes worldwide, as TCL is the official partner for the Olympics and the Paralympic Games until 2032. If you want to bring home the champion quality of TCL T6C TV, now is the perfect time because TCL's Diwali sale is live with big discounts on Flipkart. It's available in multiple sizes like 43-inch, 55-inch, 65-inch and obviously 75-inch. I'll share the links of all below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.